Good morning children. Today we are going to learn semester 2 chapter 20 area and perimeter. Area of regular polygons. Area is the amount of plane surface enclosed within the outer boundary of a regular polygon. The standard unit of measuring area is square centimeter. See here, area of a square is equal to side into side square units. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. If the side of a square equal to 1 centimeter, then area is equal to 1 square centimeter. If the side of a square is equal to 1 meter, then area equal to 1 square meter. If the side of a square equal to 1 kilometer, then area is equal to 1 square kilometer. Now let us observe and learn. Find the area and perimeter of a square field which has a side of 25 meters. See here, area is equal to side into side. That equal to here how much they have given in the question? 25 square meters, right? So 25 into 25 how much? 625 square meters. Coming to the perimeter of a regular polygon. Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary of the regular polygon. So perimeter of a square is equal to how much? Square means all four sides are equal, right? So 4 into side units. So the formula is perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth and the units, right? So this is the formula. Even in the textbook they have given perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side units. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth units. So now here we found the side, that is area. Now we are trying to find out the perimeter. So see here what they have given, 25 meters, and how many sides are there for a square? 4. So 4 into 25, then it comes as 100 meters. Okay, likewise you see the second example. Find the area and perimeter of a rectangle of length 10 meters and breadth 8.5 meters. So what is the formula for this? Area is equal to length into breadth, right? Because they have given length and breadth, the values. So we have to multiply here 10 into 8.5 square meters, then it is 85 square meters. So area is how much? Area is equal to 85 square meters. Now coming to the perimeter, what is the formula here they have given? 2 into length plus breadth and the units, right? So here 10 plus 8.5. See here 10 plus 8.5. Then if we add, it comes as 18.5 and multiply by 2. Then it is 37 meters. So perimeter is equal to how much? 37 meters. Right. Now we shall see the next sum. There is a rectangular playground of length 75 meters and breadth 45 meters. A path is made all around the playground on the inside. The width of the path is 1.5 meters. Find the area of the playground and the area of the pathway. So how to find this? What we have to do here? First we have to find out the area of the outer rectangle. This is the area of outer rectangle. Right? The formula is length into breadth. So see here 75 and the 45 is inner. That is the breadth, not inner. It is outer. Length is 75 meters and the breadth is outer 45 meters. Okay, now multiply this 75 into 45 square meters. Then the answer is 3375 square meters. Now coming to the inner rectangle, length into breadth. So here they have given the width also. See, this is the width between inner rectangle and the outer rectangle. How many meters it is? 1.5. length as well as the breadth. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So length, total length width is here. Inner rectangle and the outer rectangle width of the length is 3 meters, right? Likewise, the breadth also 3. So what we have to do here, we have to minus this gap. So 75 minus 3 is 72 meters. Likewise for breadth also. Breadth how much they have given here? Outer rectangle, breadth is 45 meters. So 45 minus this 3 width. Okay. So 45 minus 3 is 42 meters. Now we have to find out the area of the inner rectangle. Now see here how much? The formula is area is equal to length into breadth. So 72 into 42 square meters. Right. So if we multiply, the answer is 3024 square meters. Now they are asking us to find out the area of the path. So area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle is nothing but area of the path. So here the total answer of outer rectangle is 3375 square meters minus 3024 square meters of inner rectangle area. If we subtract, then the answer is 351 square meters. This is the path. So the total area of the playground is how much here? 3375 square meters, and the area of the path is 351 square meters. Okay. Now we shall see the fourth example. Find the length of a rectangle. If area is 4056 square meters and breadth is 52 meters, then what we have to do here? Again the formula is area is equal to length into breadth, right? So 4056, they have given here breadth 52 meters and they have given the area as 4056 square meters area. Now they have not given the length here. So what we have to do here? The formula is area is equal to length into breadth. But here we don't know the length. We have to find out the length now. What we have to do? We have to divide this 4056 by 52. Then the answer is 78 meters. So the length is 78 meters. Okay. It's quite simple, right? Fine. Now we shall see the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter is the length of outer boundary. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to formula A plus B plus C centimeters. Okay, now if you find the area of a triangle, the area of a triangle is defined as the total region that is enclosed by the three sides of any particular triangle. It is equal to half of the base times height. That is A equal to half into breadth into height. To find the area of a tri-sided polygon, we have to know the base B we call and height h of it. Okay, now I will explain in the example. See here. This is the triangle. Three sides we have, right? And what they are asking here? They are asking us to find out the area of a triangle of this picture. See here. Consider this rectangle ABCD and BD is the diagonal. BD divides the rectangle into two equal triangles, right? See, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. Now area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to how much? Length into breadth. So area of the triangle is here you see BDC. That is half area of a rectangle. Right. So what is the formula I told you here? Area is equal to half into breadth into height, right? Likewise, see here, area of a triangle BDC is equal to half into length into breadth, okay? Or we can say as half into base into height. This is called base and this is called the base and this is called as height, right? So half into base into height. Now we shall move to this. See, height is the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the opposite side. Base is the side to which the perpendicular is drawn. See here, for example, if you see in this triangle AD, we call this as height and BC is the base. Likewise, see in this example, BD is the height and DC is the base. Okay, now are you able to understand this? Even for this triangle DBA, DB is the height and AB is the base. Okay, now coming to this example, you see here, area of a triangle equal to half into base into height and the units, that is square units or centimeters or any other. Okay, now see here, AB. In this example, AB is the height and BC is the base. And coming to this third example, you see, BD is the height and A and C is the base. Right? Fine. Now let us observe and learn. Find the area of the given triangles. They have given a triangle like PQR and here one diagonal is there, that is half. This half, what we call it as height and QR is the base. Okay, so what is the formula for this? Area is equal to half into base into height and the units. So here half into 7.5, that means base into height, right? So base is 7.5 centimeters into 6 centimeters height. So here if we multiply, now see here, any possibilities are there, we can cancel it. See, 6 2s are, no, 3 2s are 6, right? So cancel here 6 and 2. Write 3 on the top of the 6 here. So 3 2s are 6. We cancel here 6 and 2. Now 1 here remained and if we multiply with 3, 7.5 into 3, then it is 22.5 square centimeters. Okay, likewise, now move to this area part of the B bit. See here, this is a triangle ABC and the formula is area is equal to half into base into height, square units, right? So here, how we will multiply this? Height, how much is here? 5, right? And the height is 5 and the base is 7 centimeters. So what is the formula here? Area is equal to half into 5 into 7 square centimeters. So here half means 25, right? 2.5, sorry. 2.5 into 7 square centimeters. If we multiply, then the answer is 17.5 square centimeters. Okay. Now, we shall move to the second example. If the three sides of the triangle are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters, find its perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C is the formula. So if we add all this, then the answer is 16.5 centimeters. Right? Now see the third example here. The three sides of a right angled triangle A, B, C are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and find the perimeter and area. So we have to find out the first area and then the perimeter also. So what's the formula here? Area is equal to half into base into height, right? So half into, here base is 3 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. So 3 into 4 square centimeters and into half. If we multiply, then the answer is 6 square centimeters. Right? Have you got this 6 centimeters? Do you got any idea? 4 threes are 12. 12 divided by 2. Right? So, it is 6. 6 twos are 12. So, the answer is 6 square centimeters. Okay. Now, we have to find out the perimeter. The formula is A plus B plus C. So, here see 5 plus 4 plus 3 is how much? 12 centimeters. Okay. So, AB is perpendicular to B and C. So, AB is the height and BC is the base over here in this triangle. Now, see the fourth example. Find the perimeter and area of a triangle if the base is 7 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters and the other two sides are 6.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Sides of the triangle are 7 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the perimeter here. So A plus B plus C. See here 7 plus 6.5 plus and 5. So the total is 18.5 centimeters is the perimeter. Now what is the formula for triangle to find out the area? Area is equal to half into base into height. Right. So half into here the height is 7 centimeters and the base is 8 centimeters. Right. So 7 into 8 into half. Then the total answer is 28 square centimeters. So have you got this 28 square centimeters? 7 8s are how much? 56. Right. So 56 divided by 2. Then the answer is 28 square centimeters. Okay. Now we shall move to the next page. Here, let us do it. Calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangles given below. See the first example or first question here. Area is equal to length into breadth. Here they have given length as 4 centimeters and the breadth as 3.5 centimeters. If we multiply, then the answer is 14 square centimeters area. And the perimeter. What's the formula for the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. That is 4 plus 3.5 into 2 is 2 into 7.5. That is 15 centimeters is the perimeter. Likewise, you do the B and C bits. Okay. Now, see the second question here. Calculate the areas and perimeter of the squares given below. Now, check this A bit. Here, what they have given? MNOP. Right. So, 2.5 centimeters. Breadth and the length also. Same. All the four sides are equal of the square. So, area equal to, we can say the formula as R square. That is 2.5 into 2.5. Length and breadth. So, if we multiply 2.5 into 2.5, then the answer is 6.25 square centimeters. Now find out the perimeter. How we will find? So all the four sides are equal, right? So 4 into R. That is R means here what? 2.5 centimeters. So 4 into 2.5 is how much? 10 centimeters. Okay. Likewise, you find out for the B and C bits. You do it on your own. It's a simple multiplications. Okay, in the first question and the second questions. And move to the third bit. Calculate the area and perimeter. See here, what's the formula? Rectangle is equal to, what we say, perimeter's formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Right? For rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth is the formula. Now we have to find out the area and we have to find out the perimeter. Right? So, in third bit, coming to the third bit, calculate the area and perimeter. Rectangle, L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth. So here they have given a bit length as 5 centimeters and breadth as 4.5 centimeters. Now we have to find out for area. Length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 into 4.5. Then the answer is 22.5 square centimeters. Likewise, you have to find out for the B and C bits. Okay, you do it on your own and find out the perimeter also. What's the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So, 2 into 5 plus 4.5. 2 into 9.5 is 19 centimeters is the answer. So, you do for B and C perimeter also. Okay. Now, move to the next bit, that is B. We have to find out for square. Square S is equal to side. Right. So, what's the formula for this? The four sides are equal for the square. So, S is 3.5 meters. So, 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 square meters. Or see here, I told you area is equal to R square. Or else to see here, the answer we have given, the question we have given here is S equal to 3.5 meters. So 3.5 into 3.5. How much the answer is? 12.25 square meters. This you can do it on your own. Or shall I write it for you? Or I will show you in this working column you see. In this book I have done for you. Now see. B bit. Square S equal to side. S is how much here? 3.5 meters. So what's the formula for this? Area is equal to meters into meters. That equal to square meters, or we can write as square meters like this. Okay, so 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 square meters. And we have to find out the perimeter of the square. So what's the formula for square to find out the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into length. Right. So 4 into, here what they have given? 3.5 meters. Right. So 4 into 3.5 is equal to 14 centimeters. Likewise you do for rest of the sums using the formulas. Okay. Now we shall move to the fourth bit. See here. Find the breadth, B and perimeter. They have given only the area and the length. So area is equal to how much here? 2688 square meters. And the formula, you know that area is equal to length into breadth. We don't know the length here. No, breadth. We don't know the breadth here. Right. So we have to find out this. See the working column I have done for you. Now, in the fourth bit, you see here, find the breadth B and perimeter. So, they have given the question as area is equal to 2688 square meters and the length they have given here as 48 meters in the question C. So, area is equal to 2688 square meters. That equal to, what's the formula for this? Area is equal to length into breadth. So, length is, we know that 48. We don't know the breadth. So, we have to find out this. So, how we will do? We have to do the division. 2688 divided by 48. The answer is 56. See the working column also I have given you. Okay. So, 56 is the breadth. Likewise, you have to find out the perimeter of a square. So what's the formula for this? 2 into length plus breadth. So 48 plus 56. How much it is? 104 into 2. So the answer is 208. Likewise, the B bit and C bit, you do it on your own. Okay. Now we shall move to the fifth bit. What's the question they have given? Find the area and perimeter of the triangles. A bit, if you see, here the triangle BAC is having 6 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters, and the diagonal, the height is 6.2 centimeters. So how we will find out the height and the measurement of the area? How we will do it for the triangle? What's the formula? Area is equal to half into base into height square centimeters, or the units we can call it as. So here half into, I'll show you in the notebook. For fifth sum, see the fifth question. Find the area and perimeter of the triangles. A bit. They have given here BAC and the measurements as 6 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters, height as 6.2 centimeters. So what's the formula to find out the area for the triangle? Area is equal to half into base into height square centimeters. So half into 5 into 6.2 centimeters, that is 31. 5 into 6.2 is 31 into half. So 31 divided by 2, that equal to 15.5 square centimeters. Now find out the perimeter of the triangle. A plus B plus C is the formula, right? So 4.5 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 15.5 centimeters. Likewise, you do for B, C, D bits. You do it on your own. Okay. Now we shall see the read, think and solve. What is the area of a tabletop of length 2.5 meters and breadth 1.5 meters? Coming to the solution. See here. What is the formula here for area? Area is equal to length into breadth. So area of a tabletop is equal to 2.5 meters into 1.5 meters. That equal to 3.75 square meters. Likewise, you can do the B bit. See here, find the length of a cricket pitch whose area is 15 square meters and width is 2 meters. So we know the area and we know the width. We don't know the length. So we have to find out the length. So to find out the length, what we have to do? The formula for area is equal to length into width. Right? So length, to find out what we have to do? We have to do the division. That is 15 divided by 2. Then the answer is 7.5 centimeters. So you do this in your own B bit. Okay, coming to the C bit. You see here, area of a flower bed is 169 square centimeters. If length is 13 centimeters, what is the breadth? And what is the shape of the flower bed? And formula we know as area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so here we don't know the breadth. We know the area, we know the length. So what we have to do? We have to do the division here. So breadth is equal to 169 divided by 13. So the answer is 13. Breadth is how much here? 13 centimeters. So therefore the flower bed is in which shape here? Square shape. Coming to the D bit. A traffic park is in the shape of a triangle. If the sides are 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters, find its perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter here? Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So you add all these and you will get the answer as 21 centimeters. This is the solution for D bit. You do it on your own. Now coming to the E bit. See the question here. If the area of a triangle is 32 square meters and its base is 8 meters, find the height of the triangle. So we have to find out the height here for this question. Coming to the solution part. See here. Area is equal to, formula is area is equal to half into base into height. So 32 is equal to half into 8 into height. So 32 into 2. See, 32 divided by 1 by 2 is nothing but 32 into 2, right? So 32 into 2 is equal to 8 into height. So how we will do it here? 32 twos are 64. 64 divided by 8. We have to do the division to find out the height here, as we have done for the earlier sums, right? So 64 divided by 8 is 8. So the height is 8 meters. Thank you, children. Stay safe. Take care.